What?
What? What? What were you doing?
Oh, you just worked me off. Shut the
Isn't
fuck
that a
up.
redeeming quality? Helping friends with stuff?
Not with turf wars.
Shut up, you hard.
Territorial genocide.
You win
Fuck
some,
you.
lose 100.
We're seriously laughing.
It wasn't that bad anyway.
You take that, you bitch.
Oh, come on! I had to! My credibility was on the line. I mean, what kind of reputation would I have if people found out I was trying to go clean?
Bruce resist
It
you,
just
mate.
pulls out my entire
What the
persona.
fuck was that?
Credibility. What about the hotels? Your little stunt made us look like a fucking joke.
I fucking agree.
Jokes are funny.
Are you
I
fucking
made
serious?
you look, sad. And pathetic,
Nah,
like an
kid,
orphan.
tripping.
With no arms. Or legs. With progeria. Great.
That's racist
Now
to
I'm
me.
bummed thinking about it. This thing have any liquor?
Can you
Racist
please just
motherfucker.
try to take this seriously?
Ow!
Try. Just don't get your taco in a twist, baby.
Was that you trying to be sexist or racist?
Whatever.
I think that was both.
Is there seriously no liquor in here?
Yes, now
I'm gonna
shut
kill
up, you
Abdullah.
fucking slut.
Wait, would that make me double dead?
I won.
Where exactly do I go?
Bye-bye, bitch.